Most Americans work every single day, but still don't fully understand the one number the IRS watches the most. AGI, Adjusted Gross Income. Sounds boring, right? But this single number can quietly decide how much tax you pay, whether you qualify for tax refunds, if you can receive government benefits, student aid eligibility, healthcare assistance, and even certain loan opportunities. And the craziest part? Two people can earn the exact same amount of money, but one pays far less taxes than the other. Why? Because they understand how the adjusted gross income works. Let's say two people both make $100,000 a year. One person spends carelessly, knows nothing about taxes, and reports everything normally. The other person understands deductions, retirement contributions, business expenses, and legal tax strategies. At the end of the year, the IRS may see them very differently. That's why wealthy people don't only ask, "How much money did I make?" They ask, "How much income is actually taxable?" Because AGI is basically your income after certain adjustments are removed. And those adjustments matter more than most people realize. Things like retirement contributions, certain business expenses, student loan interest, health savings accounts, educator expenses, self-employment deductions. All these can lower your AGI legally. And lowering your adjusted gross income can sometimes save thousands of dollars. This is why financially educated people study taxes almost like a game, because the average person focuses on income, but the wealthy focus on structure. The IRS doesn't just look at how hard you worked. It looks at the numbers, and many people accidentally lose money every year simply because nobody taught them how taxes actually work. Schools teach people how to work for money, but rarely teach people how to protect it. That's why some people can earn six figures and still struggle financially, while others with similar income quietly build wealth in the background. Not because they are lucky, but because they understand systems. And taxes are one of the biggest systems in America. The scary part? Most people only think about taxes once a year, but wealthy people plan for taxes all year long. That's a huge difference, because once your AGI rises above certain limits, some financial benefits slowly disappear. Certain credits vanish, some deductions reduce, and suddenly the government treats you differently financially. This is why many business owners, investors, and financially smart individuals obsess over tax planning. Not tax evasion, tax planning. There's a difference. One is illegal. The other is financial intelligence. And once you understand that, you start realizing money is not only about working harder. Sometimes it's about understanding the rules everybody else ignores.